Click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger. Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are going to compare two full service stockbrokers, Tradebulls and Karvy online. This comparison is based on multiple aspects including company background, pricing, account opening and maintenance charges, brokerage exposure or leverage offered across segments, accuracy of research, performance of trading platforms, and some other features to figure out which of these two stockbrokers is a better choice for you. Let's get started. So both Karvy Online and Tradebulls are full service stockbrokers. Karvy was launched in the year 1985, so it is one of the oldies there. Tradebulls, on the other hand, has been recently launched in the year 2009. Today, Karvy has presence across 400 different sub-brokers and franchise locations across India. Tradebulls is just growing at 18 right now. Both of these stockbrokers are members of Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange and few commodity exchanges of India. If you're looking to open an account with them, Tradebulls does not charge you anything, neither for the trading nor for the demat account. Karvy Online, however, has a charge of 420 rupees for your demat account. As far as AMC, annual maintenance charges, are concerned, Tradebulls charges you 350 rupees every year, while Karvy Online does that for 500. First year with Karvy Online is free, so upfront you just need to pay the 420 rupees. Other than that, there are no charges. So more or less they are on a similar range, not much of a difference. If you talk about brokerage part, well, if you can see on the screen here, 0.2% is what Tradebulls asks and what is at Karvy Online is 0.3. It basically depends on your trade value. For example, if you trade for 1 lakh rupees in delivery segment, Tradebulls will charge you 200 as brokerage, while Karvy Online will charge 300. Now these numbers are certainly negotiable depending on a couple of things. One is your initial deposit. So if you start with, let's say, 5,000 or 10,000, then probably you will not have much of a bargaining power. But if you start with, let's say, 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees or more, then you can certainly negotiate it even further down. And at the same time, it depends on your negotiation skills as well to how much further you can get the brokerage down. What we have seen in case of Tradebulls is at 0.1% here. Similarly, values for Karvy Online have also been seen. So this is brokerage, more or less they are on similar level, and it at the end of the day depends on your negotiation skills too. Then we have exposure or leverage. For people who don't understand the concept, basically it's kind of a short-term loan offered by your stockbroker at a specific interest rate. Now this interest rate can be in the range of 15%, 20%, 22%. It depends on the stockbroker there. So in case of Karvy Online, they've got 20 times for intraday and 10 times is what Tradebulls offers. So basically, if you have 10,000 rupees in your trading account balance, you can trade up to 2 lakh for intraday in Karvy and up to 1 lakh for Tradebulls. In other segments, more or less similar. It really depends on what kind of segment you're looking to trade or invest in, and correspondingly, you can pick a stockbroker out of these two. Then in the next section we have customer service. Both of these are full service stockbrokers. The competition is tight. Both of them provide you email support, phone, toll-free number and offline branches. But Karvy Online is slightly more mature. They give much more emphasis for continuous trading and make sure that their customers are happy. So from that perspective, for customer service, Karvy Online is slightly better than Tradebulls. Moving ahead, if we talk about research, well, Karvy Online is one of those stockbrokers that is known for best research and trading tips across the industry. So no comparison with Tradebulls there, which is still getting into the growth phase. So from research perspective, be it technical or fundamental, in terms of trading tips, calls, recommendations, research, reports of industries of stocks, you can certainly rely on Karvy Online. Trading segments, not much of a difference. Both of these stockbrokers allow you to trade and invest in equity, mutual funds, IPOs, currency, commodity. There are few other products here, but just for comparison, we can see that all of these segments are offered by these two stockbrokers. Then we have some other features. It really depends on what kind of feature is important to you. So margin funding is one of the differentiating factors where Tradebulls offers it, while Karvy Online does not. Other than that, both of these stockbrokers are pretty much similar. Now let's spend some time talking about their trading platforms. More or less, they provide you all kinds of trading applications across devices. We will start with the mobile app and see which one is a better choice for you. So let's talk about Tradebulls first. Now, when it comes to quantity, they've got a couple of mobile apps rather than just one. First of that is Tradebulls iWin. Now, this application is rated at 2.7, just 2.7 by around 178 users. Now, out of that, around 54% of the users have rated this app negatively. Overall satisfaction score stands around 46%. Very bad from industry standards there. If you look at the update frequency, the last one was done on 26th of October 2016. We are recording this video in June 2017. So it's been good 8-9 months that this app has seen even a single update. The last update, as we have seen, that is October, which is pretty bad. Number of installs 10,000 to 50,000, not much of an attractiveness there as well. So from numbers perspective, certainly this app does not look good. Some of the concerns raised from the clients are around the login issues. The user experience, the user friendliness part is missing. The navigation is difficult. So for people who are trying to look and use the mobile application for the intraday trading on a regular basis especially, the navigation can be cumbersome and it really is a bad effect on their overall opportunities out there. Then the other trading application from Tradebulls is Tradebulls Touch. Now this application was even an older version of Tradebulls iWin. It was rated better at 3.4 by around 155 users. Out of that, around 35% users have rated this app negatively. Overall satisfaction score stands around 65%, not good again. Again, in this case, if you look at the update frequency cycle, the last one was done 16th of March 2016, which is even primitive. The number of installs are similar, 10,000 to 50,000. The concerns in this case are around the bandwidth usage. So it consumes a lot of internet data while you're using it on your mobile phone. Performance issues, speed level concerns are also there. The UI is pretty fancy in nature. As far as design is concerned, it can certainly be improved as well. So both of these mobile apps of Tradebulls are no ones. In fact, you don't really need to even install these applications because these are avoidable certainly from a trader's point of view. Now let's talk about the mobile app offered by Karvy online and see whether it's a good one, better one, or even a worse one from this. So the mobile app of Karvy online at the same time is rated at 3.2 by around 1,000 users. Out of that, around 37% of the users have rated this app negatively. Overall satisfaction score is around 63%. If you look at the update frequency cycle, the last one was done on 11th of November 2016. Good 7 months again in this case as well. The number of installs are in the range of 50,000 to 1 lakh. If you talk about the issues raised by clients, there are concerns around irritating user experience. There are a lot of login issues. So login issues are of multiple kinds. Sometimes you don't get an OTP. Sometimes it takes hell of a lot of time to just log in into the application even after providing all the kind of details you have. And there is a third kind, when you are logged into the application performing your analysis or doing your trading, and at particular point in time you will be just logged out without any intimation. So there are some concerns on that functionality in and out there. So if you want to talk about and pick a stockbroker that provides a decent application on mobile between these two stockbrokers, unfortunately there is none. So we will not recommend you to use any of these mobile apps. At the same time, let's just hope that they are able to provide us a better trading platform across device in terminal-based software or a browser-based application. For that, we need to check digitalblogger.com. So we are starting with Tradebulls. Now it provides you multiple trading applications. They've got a Tradebulls client, which is a browser-based application. You don't need to download or install anything. Directly go to the Tradebulls website, click on login, and put in your details and start trading. Now this is a lightweight application. It doesn't require any downloads. It has a basic configuration expectation from you as far as the device or the mobile phone you are using. It can be used across any particular device. It could be a mobile phone, it could be a tablet, computer, laptop, desktop, doesn't really matter. But number of features is a concern. So there is a limitation as far as number of features this particular application provides to its clients. That ways it needs to mature on that front. Then there is Tradebulls Diet. Now this is a third-party software. It is not maintained or developed by Tradebulls. This is a terminal-based software. You need to download this and install this onto your computer and laptop. And once you do that, you can start trading. However, when it comes to number of features, no concern. Performance, speed, no issue there. But user experience is one area this application can be improved. Otherwise, you can certainly use and check out this application for your trading. The mobile app we already discussed, it's a no-go, certainly not recommended for trading. Now let's talk about the trading platforms offered by Karvy Online and see whether they are good than Tradebulls. So Karvy Online offers you Nest. Again, this is a third-party software. It is pretty bulky in nature. Terminal-based software. You need to download this and install this onto your laptop and computer. You can see the kind of configuration this expects from you. Processor must be at least 500 megahertz. RAM 256 MB. Disk space it uses on a regular level is 15 MB. It works on Windows and there is no support for iOS or Macintosh. Browser, it requires you to have at least i7, Chrome or Mozilla. So from that perspective, it is a more than basic configuration, so certainly a bulky software. It allows you to trade across multiple types of orders there, gives you features of market watch. As far as technical fundamental analysis is concerned, pretty much good on that front too. So from features perspective, not a concern. Again, like in case of foreign diet here as well, Nest has an issue of user experience and it really becomes a difficulty for beginners or people who are looking to start trading. And if these are the software they are looking to start with, at least on the initial level it can be complicated to use. Then the next software applied and used by Karvy Online is Karvy Online Web. Now this is an in-house application. No need to download or install anything. Just go to the Karvy Online website, click on login and you can start trading by putting your details. Number of features wise, this is good application. Gives you a multiple widgets or multiple dashboard so that you can have look at the data points or the charts or alerts or notifications at the same time. So it really has an exhaustiveness covering from their perspective. Number of features are also allowing you to trade and invest across equity, commodity, currency, whatever segments Karvy Online supports are being supported by this software. Certainly a recommendable software and you can use it for your regular trading. Even if you're looking to have fundamental research there, long-term trading or long-term investment is also being covered by this software. We have already talked about the web and the mobile part, so it is not recommendable software. Now if you want to pick a stockbroker, it really depends on the kind of device you're looking to use. So if it is terminal based software, it can be Ordinate Diet or Nest, not much of a difference. If you're looking to use the web based browser applications, certainly go for Karvy Online. Their application is much more exhaustive, provides decent user experience and speed. Mobile app, go for none. None of these two stockbrokers provide you a decent mobile application for trading. So this is it as far as comparison between Karvy Online and Tradebulls is concerned. We talked about multiple features here. It's up to your preferences, what you are looking for, and based on that you can make a choice. However, if you want to talk to any executive of these two stockbrokers or you want us to help you out with a best stockbroker for your needs, you can check out this link digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details there and we will be setting up a callback for you absolutely free. This is it for the video. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. We are present on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, SlideShare and of course YouTube with the same handle Digital Blogger, where we post regular videos, slides, articles, reviews, infographics, stats, a lot of things related to stock market. And if you want to stay updated with what's happening around different stockbrokers, just follow us there and we make sure to update you regularly. So thank you so much again for watching the video. Follow us on YouTube with the handle Digital Blogger for sure. Bye bye.